Hi guys, this is Mrs. Soakup, and I'm going to show you how to download Stellarium, a free planetarium software for your computer. Open your internet browser and use your search engine like Google to Google Stellarium. 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 Click on the Stellarium link. And it gives you your choice as to which operating system your computer uses. I'm on a Mac, so I will choose Mac OS. You may be choosing Windows. The download begins immediately. Depending on the browser that you use, you might see the download happening in the lower left-hand corner of your window or in the upper right-hand corner of your window in other browsers. You can always find it in your download folder on your computer. The download takes a little while. Alright, it's downloaded, and I'm going to click on the file. Could have also clicked on the drop-down menu and said open. And on my desktop, you can see the Stellarium icon. I will click on it to open the window and click on Stellarium. And yes, I want to open it. There, this is the sky right now in real time, and mine placed me in Kansas City, Missouri. Yours may have placed you somewhere else. So we need to change your location eventually to Kansas City, Missouri. You can play around in your other location first if you want. You can actually go anywhere in the world in this planetarium program and see what the sky looks like. And keep in mind, this is not a weather program. This is a sky program. So it won't show you any of the clouds in the sky. It'll just show you the sky. So place your mouse in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, and that will reveal some menus. To change your location, go to the compass rose that will reveal location window, or you can press F6 on your computer. So click on the compass rose or press F6, and you can either directly add your latitude and longitude if you've Googled it and you know Lee Summit's latitude and longitude, or wherever you are, that latitude and longitude, or you can search in the search window for Kansas City. Oh yeah, you gotta type it up here. Kansas City. There we go. Kansas City, Missouri. And I want this to be my default location, so every time I open Stellarium, it puts me in Kansas City, Missouri. And so I'm going to click the little box that says use as default. So I've got that checked. And I can go ahead and close this window now. Okay, now it's placed me in Kansas City, Missouri, and the time should be correct. In military time, you add 12 hours to the hours in the afternoon. So, for example, it is 7:32 right now as I'm making this video for you, and it is July 17th. You have a different time because it's probably August for you, maybe August 20th, 21st-ish. So, if you wanted to change the time or to speed up time or slow down time, because you can look at the sky anytime in the, I think in the history of the Earth, although you can test that out, see how far forward you can go, see how far back you can go. You can see what the sky would look like anytime and from anywhere. To change the time, you can reveal the windows again by placing your mouse in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, and you can go to the clock, which is the date-time window. That's one way to change the time. Use the up and down arrows. Like, for example, I can change my date to your date right now. I'm guessing the 20th, maybe the 21st. And then I can change the time using the arrows too. Let's say that you're working on this in the evening. Maybe 8:30? How about 9:30? Yeah, 9:30 in the evening. And I can see what your sky looks like right now on August 21st, first, even though I'm making this video in July, and I can see all the things you can see. In fact, if you were to go outside right now and it happens to be 9:30 for you, you could see Saturn and Mars. And that's true whether it is the 20th or the 19th. Let's go forward again. 20, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. You see this is true for some time. And like, let's say it's not 9:30 for you. It's a different time. Obviously, you can just go over to date and time and say you're looking a little earlier, maybe 8:30. Oops, wrong way. 8:30. Well, it might be hard to see because the sun's not set all the way, but they're pretty bright in the sky. If you mouse over them and you click on them, it tells you the magnitude. And the closer you get to 0, the brighter the magnitude until you get into the negatives. If you get negative, weirdly, that is really bright for a magnitude as seen from a person on Earth. So, like, negative numbers, really bright. It's like the number line. So the positive numbers, the higher you get, the dimmer it is, and you head down to 0, it's getting brighter and brighter and brighter, and then you get into the negative numbers, and it's getting brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter as you get away from 0 and more negative. So Mars is almost at 0. It's 0.8 magnitude. So it's pretty bright in the sky, and Saturn is 0.81. So just not probably noticeably different. Cool. All right, so you're looking on the 30th, they're fairly close to the moon. 20th. What's that? Click on it. It is Spica. It's a star. So if you want to look around the sky, you just click and drag, or click and drag. Another way to change the time, if you want to watch time pass a little more smoothly, you can go, again, put your mouse in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, and you have some options here for fast forwarding or rewinding. If you click fast forward once, fast forwards a little bit faster. You can see the seconds going by a little more quickly than normally in real time. If you want to go even faster, fast forward again, even faster, fast forward again. And if you just want to play normal, you hit the play. Like if you want it to stop fast forwarding, go hit play, and it will play the time forward in real time again. And say you like accidentally fast forward the time too much, or backwards the time too much, rewind the time too much. You click on this, which means now. This little kind of looks like almost hourglass. I'm not sure. But it is right next to the play symbol. You click on that, that's now, and you can go back to now. For me, now is July 17th. For you, it is August 20th or 21st-ish. So play around in here, explore, check out all these different options. You'll enjoy a lot of them. And we will be using this planetarium program as well as other planetarium programs throughout this course. So get familiar with it, play around, and have fun. When you want to leave the program, this power button right here will allow you to quit the program.